Hi everyone, Carol here from Infraspeak. Today I'll show you how to set up yours and your client's inventory. By inventory, we mean maintenance categories or equipment types you'll need to customize your maintenance. Okay, let's get started. We'll be focusing on how to set up a maintenance category on Infraspeak. Imagine a manager is sitting at their desk with Infraspeak Web open and needs to start configuring their maintenance categories. This step works a bit like teaching Infraspeak what an AC unit is supposed to be. But first, let's establish the difference between a type of equipment and a soft maintenance. Types of equipment are tangible equipment categories you may want to create, while soft maintenance is directly related to a given location, rather than to a tangible equipment or asset. They are both added in a similar way. To add them, go to the Admin tab, and in the Maintenance section, click on Settings. On the new page, you need to create a main folder and add a subfolder if needed, and then click Add under the type of equipment or soft maintenance. Then, a new window will appear for the manager to fill in the category name and code. Once the name and code are defined, another window will appear where the categories of the technical sheet can be added. An asset's technical sheet may be formed by various elements, and in Infraspeak, you'll have the freedom to add any element needed to any given technical sheet. In the General tab, you can add characteristics to the technical sheet on a new characteristic. There you can give a name to the characteristic and select its type out of free text, numeric, multiple choice, or material type. According to the characteristics type, you may need to specify some of the details. For example, if the characteristic type is a multiple choice, you'll need to determine all of the available options. Looking at the air conditioner example, you may create characteristics for your air conditioner equipment such as brand, model, serial number, power, weight, etc. Keep in mind that the characteristics are managed by equipment type or by soft maintenance, so there's a possibility to edit them both at any time. As mentioned before, in Infraspeak, there's a possibility to link soft maintenance to a location type. But why is that? Well, basically, it is to treat locations as you would do with assets, since maintenance is not only provided to an equipment, but also to locations. I'm sure you don't want to survey all power sockets in your building, but you do want to make sure their maintenance is up to date. So this way, you'll have the maintenance category named Power Sockets linked with a location typology like offices or meeting rooms. If you want to link a location type to soft maintenance, it's pretty simple. Once the soft maintenance is created, go to its second tab, Location Types, and choose among the location types added to the platform, the ones the soft maintenance applies to. For example, if you configure a soft maintenance to water taps, you could connect it to both kitchen and bathrooms as they both have water taps. That's it. You are now ready to set up your maintenance categories on Infraspeak. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, you can check out more relevant information and links in the description, and make sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Stay tuned for our next episode and keep watching for this video's pro tip. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Infraspeak also grants you the possibility to attach documents to a maintenance category. They can be anything from manuals, guides, brochures, or any documents you consider relevant. If you want to know how, just check the description below and learn more about this topic. See you around!